The Paris Agreement invited countries to define their own pathways towards a just transition to net zero emissions. So, for example, the UK Net Zero Strategy and in France the Low Carbon National Strategy, the SNBC, are long-term strategies. Ideally, they're the result of a multi-stakeholder process that aims at identifying how each sector of the economy will achieve net zero emissions. So first, aligning with the Paris Agreement means aligning with the national pathways that were defined by countries to achieve the Paris Agreement goals. And so development finance institutions are increasingly considering the country context in the assessments that they perform on the alignment of their investments, and long-term strategies can therefore contribute to that country-specific context analysis. Why is that? Because long-term strategies can define the priority sectors, technologies, and the policy changes needed to achieve net zero emissions in the country. And so that helps development finance institutions develop projects and investments that are in line with the country needs and with the Paris Agreement goals. Only 50 long-term strategies have been developed by countries so far, but their number is expected to increase ahead of COP27 later this year. And there are already a few recommendations that we can make for them to be best used. So first, development finance institutions should use long-term strategies more and more as part of the project screening process. And that should happen as early as possible in the project cycle. And second, we've also found that long-term strategies should be a formal part of the dialogue with countries. And they should also be used to develop country intervention strategies.